Hello everybody, welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm back again at Big Scrub Campground. I got my friend Chris over there, his daughter Isabella. They're gonna be joining me with their rides. My friend wants to ride mine and I'm gonna ride his for today. But basically that's not what the video is about. Today I just got this DJI Action 2 and I want to try it out. I want to see how would it look like when you transfer it to YouTube. I want to see it myself. So this video is mostly for me as an experiment because I want to see how the camera, performs. I'm gonna put it on the helmet. This thing has this horizon stabilization. Like I'm moving the camera and it keeps it stable like that. And I want to see how it works. When I'm ATV, when I'm taking curves and going about, and how well does it stabilize. So that's coming up next. But before I start, I want to show you guys something real funny. My GPS threw me to a weird location and my car got stuck. But thankfully, his truck got me out. I'll show you guys in the picture. Anyway, let me shut up. And we're going to finish up setting up the camp and start riding. No, it was not recording. Crap. I had it on photo. All right, I'll record again once we get back. Actually, somewhere around here, I'm going to buy the blue sink. I'm gonna show you guys this real quick. Let me show you that. Yeah, my quad. Show you guys the blue sink. Bar swimming.
We'll wait till after the selection. Yeah, no, I understand. No, my buddy's a window distributor in Colorado, and yeah.
There you go. All right. Let's see if I can record this time properly. Alright, I think I'm on, yeah. This is not gonna be a professional video at all. FYI. Not professional at all whatsoever. It's recording now. It wasn't recording earlier. God, I love rednecks. I love them. I grew up with rednecks. They're so much fun.
Go through.
Huh? You might want to get out for a minute. So I can push it out.
Let me try getting in there first.
If you let me lift it. There you go. Okay. So there's a boat ramp in this lake too. I did not know that. Check it out. There's a boat ramp. Very nice. Woo! Woo! Yeah, it's very nice actually. Beautiful lake, very peaceful. Anyway, I just want to show you guys that. Oh my. Alrighty, so right now, this is nighttime. I want to see how the camera handles low light, what you get to see and what you cannot see.
Bear.
Bear. Here's a fire.
No
Very
bear.
nice. Ain't got no gas in it.
Oh, got plenty of gas in it. You gotta keep gas in it to keep it going.
Chris been saying that all freaking
Ain't
day.
got no gas.
I've
But
been,
ain't got no bugs either.
I got stuck today. I mean, picked on today.
In a Prius.
In the you see what I'm putting up with? You see what I'm putting up with? Hey, guys, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. I'm gonna see how this looks. I have no idea how it's going to look. So thanks for watching. Later, homies.